Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Babe. Talk to the people.
Talk to the people. Hi guys. So basically, I got this rod in my arm. Nexplanon or Naplon. What do you call it? IMPLANON. IMPLANON. Anyway, so basically it's so that I don't fall pregnant, and it's been really driving me mad, guys. I've never had contraception before. So yeah, hang on, let me sit up and talk to them. Anyway, so guys, basically I have had this IMPLANON in my arm for about a month now, and I'm about to take it out. I'm doing a home removal because it's driving me mad. I'm really not happy with it, like really not happy with it. You know, there's so many side effects that the doctor didn't really tell me about, and yeah, I'm just not feeling myself lately, so I'm gonna home remove it, guys, and you're gonna watch.
Babe, this is not something to laugh about.
It's not a joke.
Honestly, guys, I'm scared as hell. Cutting a person with this friggin' razor blade, like, I don't even want to mess up, because that's mess. Yo, babe, you sure there's no vein right there?
There's not a vein. That's what it is. I'm not joking about it. Yeah, of course, guys, I'm freaking out, but at the same time, I want to feel good, man. I don't want to feel like crap. I've been feeling like crap. You're lucky I didn't murder you the day you did a prank on me. Psycho. Psycho much?
I'm trying to make it under this still. I don't feel it, but
You haven't filled it? All right, so you got to clean it with this first. Are your hands clean?
My hands are clean.
All right, let's try.
What else have to clean with this first?
You have to clean the wound. All right, guys, here we go.
Yeah, laugh. That's something funny.
No, it's not. Babe, have a look at my arm.
I'm looking there.
Can you see it in the camera?
Yeah.
All right. So you have to wipe the area.
Babe, I'm not no doctor. I don't want you to come and try them things out of me.
Guys, look at it, guys.
Yeah, you know I'm not like blood already. You know I'm not like say something there. So if I wipe this, the mark, and I go wipe off now?
Yeah, because we're going to mark it again, because I need to really identify the thing.
Come off.
The whole thing. Guys, I know this is crazy. I know some of you might not like it, but at the end of the day, I'm not feeling 100, and the doctors aren't open for a few days.
So guys, if you don't like seeing blood and stuff like that,
Don't watch.
don't watch the rest of this video, alright? Because even me myself is scared right now. I'm not joking. So
Okay, so you clean the site. All right, guys. I'm just going to switch off so that I can find the incision. I can find it before you do the... All right, guys. Here we go.
Does the cut have to be long, babe?
Dr. Tyrone.
Babe, no laugh about
Dr.
it. So you're really happy about this, babe?
No, but babe, you got to understand how I'm feeling,
You getting
though.
cut, you're happy about this?
I'm not. Let's just hope we get it right, guys.
Sorry about my language, man. I forgot to bleep that out.
Just acquire a slight incision.
Like a slice?
Just a slight, a little cut. Just a slight little cut. Okay, you hold the camera and I'll do it.
Cha-cha.
You just said cha-cha. All right.
No, that...
Yeah, you did. You did it. Did you open it?
No, it didn't open.
Didn't it? Oh, okay, hang on. Wait.
Jesus Christ, I didn't do it right there.
What are you holding your people? Wait, hold up. Don't cut it anymore.
I'm not cutting it anymore.
Look.
Can't do money, man.
mean? Hang on, wait. Just control the bleeding with the thing.
Blood, babe, blood.
Yeah, no blood. Blow.
No, babe.
That's a really big cut, babe. That's a really big cut. You did that like I'm an animal. All right, hold up. We've got to get the thing out now.
Oh. You see, babe, that on my top one. Ah. No, babe.
Huh?
Jesus Christ.
He just butchered me, guys. Babe, that hurts. But that's a really big cut, babe. That's a really big cut. That's
what I was asking if you want me to.
Not a big cut. I said just a small incision. A small incision. All right, give me the tweezers. I'll find it.
Give
me the tweezers. I think we got it wrong. It's supposed to be there. We got it wrong. We got it wrong. All right, turn it off. All right, guys, we're back again. Doctor here. Dr. Afrikai.
Don't sit up, man. I'm nervous, man.
Okay, only in Jamaica, guys. You can only do this in Jamaica.
And I made a bad cut already.
Yeah, he already cut my arm up. He's going to cut me again.
Jesus Christ.
He's actually cut me 3 times.
Nervous as hell, man. I can feel it right here, but at the same time, guys, I'm very scared. Like, I don't want to go too deep or... Is it, man? It's crazy, man. How the hell people be doctors and all of these crazy stuff that cut people open? I don't know. Commend to those. I commend those people who does that kind of work. I can feel it, but I just like, am I gonna get the cut right?
It's a tip. You got to get the tip.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. If I can mark it. I tried marking it so many times already.
Can you push the stick through? Like maybe like push the stick through the skin before you cut it. Yeah.
It won't pain you?
No, it won't. Just try and stick it through the skin. Try and stick the stick through the skin.
Sure, it won't broke, babe?
No, it won't break. It shouldn't break. Try and stick it through the skin, and then you got to get the cut right there where the stick is, where the stick's sticking out on the skin. Get the cut there, and that's how you do it. Well, that's what we're watching on YouTube, guys. There's plenty of YouTube home remedies. Yeah, of course, my arm's going to be scarred, but I love that my doctor here is he's my personal doctor. Only in Jamaica. Blood. Yeah, you got to find the stick and try and poke it through the skin.
I'm trying.
And then once you poke it through, you feel it there?
Yeah, it's right.
You poke it there, then that's where you cut. You feel it? Yeah. All right, here we go, guys.
No, I'm marking it first.
Oh, okay, he's marking it. What are you gonna mark it for? But you gotta stick it out of the skin first. You gotta pick it up, stick it out of the skin.
It's kind of hard to feel still. I'm nervous, people. I'm nervous. Nervous as hell right now. I don't want to friggin' cut you up, man. You can feel it if only if I had a second, another arm. It's just like tell.
Comment down below, guys, if any of the ladies that subscribe to us, or even if you haven't subscribed yet and you're planning to, Let us know. Is it poking through the skin?
A bit.
It's got to be poking right through the skin, babe, before you cut. You got to cut the tip of it.
I'm trying to turn it as much as I can.
What you mean turn it?
Turn it up.
Turn what up?
Turn the point up. Not rabbit. I'm pretty nervous as hell. Just somewhere right here.
He's good with those razors, people.
You're good what?
Remember, the tip has to be poking right through the skin.
I'm trying, babe, I'm trying.
Are you sure, babe? Hang on. Are you sure? You gotta be sure, babe. And why did you make so many pen marks? This is how many times he was gonna cut me, guys. Far out. Jesus.
I'm nervous, babe. I'm nervous as well, Mom. I'm telling you straight.
Seriously?
I don't think I can do this, man. I swear.
You can or you can't?
I can't.
But you're my musician, my YouTuber,
Musician don't
and
cut
a
people.
doctor.
Musician don't cut people.
You're my doctor. Here in Jamaica, you're my doctor.
When I say I chop a nigga up, I don't mean like that.
Come on, babe. Cut me up. Cut me up. Get it out of my arm, guys. This is seriously annoying me. It's been annoying me from the day that I got it. Yeah, wash it, baby. I tell you guys. It's crazy. I just want it out of my arm. Freaking bloody cutting me whole arm up, guys. Jeez. Don't ever try this at home, guys.
Never. Yeah, I think they say left arm are handicaps. Left-handers.
Babe, don't say that, because I'm left-handed too, so that means both of us are handicapped. That's not nice.
I think I'm just handicapped.
And we're not. Don't discriminate.
I am just handicapped.
Oh, that stings, babe. You could at least blow. Oh. Babe, it's like he enjoys this, guys. You should be a doctor. It's only 7 years in uni.
7 years.
Yeah. Or a nurse.
7 years to cut people open, you might.
You'd be a sexy nurse. Everybody will want you to look after them.
What the hell? Why
Yeah,
is that?
but not when you're chopping up my arm like 50,000 times. Babe, remember, find the tip and cut the tip.
I feel the tip, but guess what? It's kind of hard after I let it go.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the doctors and get it done, guys. Remember, we'll go to the doctors and get it professionally sliced open. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below. You know to do. If me and Babe can get it done, we'll do it. What's up?
3 days later.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the Island family tuning in again. We're just here at the doctor's clinic. As you all know, are you going to upload those attempts?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just here basically coming to remove my IMPLANON out of my arm because it's been really bugging me since I arrived here. I've never really had any of that thing done before, so I think this is probably why I'm just so annoyed with it. Anyhow, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna try and record it if we can. Alright, blessings. Island's like, yeah, mummy, take it out.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned, isn't it? I feel that at the attempt, so we gotta make some professional deal with it. Yeah, man.
Hey guys, you're probably wondering what is happening with the rest of the clips. Unfortunately, we couldn't film anymore because the actual surgery ended up getting extensive. It was actually burrowed in my arm in between tissue and fat. So it actually was an 1.5-hour procedure, which it would have only really taken a 15-minute job to do. But as the doctor said, it would have been a walk in the park, but it wasn't. It actually was really burrowed in my skin, and he needed another doctor. So an 1.5 hours later, guys, these are the clips that you see. My arm was red, swollen, sore. They gave me antibiotics and painkillers to go with it. Still to this day, my arm has been, doesn't look the same. There's a big scar there. As you can see in the picture, that's what it is at the moment. So guys, if you're watching this by now, you're probably wondering, wow, she actually, got it taken out professionally, because me and babe, we could not do it on our own. But anyhow, guys, thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support we've been getting on this new channel, and have a blessed day.